Would you believe that this has got more horsepower than the SVJ? 780 horsepower at 8,000 RPMs. 720 Newton meters of torque at 6,500 RPM. They really wanted this thing to be wailing up there in the charts. Yes, like. And the noise. Oh. Bloody hell, this is quick. That lip in carbon fiber, as well as these fangs and these side fins over here. The bonnet, that's our own Novitec design, similar to the one that you can see on the Evo, on the Huracan. It also has some aero functions, namely these two air tunnels on the sides where the air enters in the front over there. It gets dispersed through that tunnel over here, creating a bit more downforce on the nose and helping the car to stay put. These carbon fiber covers also from us. Now, above the shoulder line of this Lamborghini, very important carbon fiber on your mirrors. Underneath the shoulder line, got a carbon fiber side skirt that is not from us, but this addition over here, that is from us, making it all stealth-like. And this is where the air hits that massive radiator on both sides of the car, big enough to fit a medium-sized goat, if you like. This vent and then these vents for the engine, they've got carbon covers and they are from us, as well as this bit over here. Then at the back of the car, a huge diffuser, all in carbon fiber, that also a Lamborghini one.